I remember Mark used to show me this, many years ago. There was one of these famous little graphics, and it was looking at from an operator perspective, how does it affect someone's mental state? So if you're in an organization that's focused on blame, what does that mean for you as an operator doing a job? And so the little flow chart is does it work? Did you mess with it? Does anyone know? Will you get in trouble? And if that's the case, too bad if you're going to get in trouble. But it's a little flow chart in there, and it's a mental thing that people go through when they get hurt. So I think there's a difference between organizations that do investigations right versus wrong, and it's hard to tell the difference in the metrics. Because a lot of times in the metrics, organizations that are doing it right are reporting things where people got injured, and they're not covering it up. A lot of times in blame organizations, they could still have an okay looking set of metrics for injuries, but what you don't see is all the people going home with cut fingers, bloody gloves, the equipment that was damaged and we don't know why, but we find out months later or years later that something happened to it and we just don't know. So I think there's an element of people hiding mistakes in organizations because they fear retribution for them making a mistake.
That's lack of psychological safety.
Yeah, so very much so. It's very popular now talking about the psychological safety. Can I bring up problems?